The Laravel application, the controller, how it works. In the root, it needs to define the controller. Controller is normally located in the F file, HTTP, and controller. Here is controller.php. So creating another controller file. So we can command to make the controller. PHP Artisan make controller, the name of make controller, automatically controller file is created. Then you can put here the import, the like import rule is use this the location of the controller, then call it the root, the controller code. So here in this way you can controller, and this is normally we used as a directly hit the blood. So when you controller, so also use net function to make a controller call. So I am opening a code to show you so how I make. So lv1 open, and open controller, how I call it. So this is the subject controller, so like quotient controller. So quotient controller, check the quotient controller. We implemented the quotient controller is this. So quotient controller source, quotient builder and builder, then call it here quotient controller. Go to the quotient controller, source http controller quotient controller, then understand the quotient, latest quotient, how it's about everything. So in this way you can define the controller easily.